Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Kala Sharulin. I'm from 5 SCP3. Today I want to describe about how can holiday can be a way to be grateful to Allah. Holiday can be a way to be grateful to Allah. It can be a time to remember of His blessing. Holiday can be a way to be grateful to Allah by using our free time in a good ways. When holiday, a person can do worship more to Allah, spend time with families, and help others. Using Allah's blessing properly can make we avoid from wrongdoing. Seeing the beauty nature can remind us about Allah's powers. This reflection can increase our gratitude to Him. Holidays remind us about Allah's blessing. With use time wisely, it can make we appreciate His creatures and all that He gives to us. Okay, it's little describe about how can holiday be a way to be grateful to Allah. Thanks for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.